Hi everyone, welcome back to another video and I hope you all are doing well. Yes, this is a short vlog as this video includes snippets of days before the school reopened after a long summer vacation. Had to buy uniforms this time as the ones they had were now undersized and they have grown, that's what it means. So we were told by someone that we get uniforms at a textile shop and the location is opposite to Bangladeshi school. At first, I thought this shop is just for uniforms, but when I entered, I could see beautiful fabric rolls. It was a different world there. Whoever is an expert in stitching, you get a lot of beautiful materials from here. I could find my favorite floral prints. Anyways, that's what about this shop, and this is nothing sponsored. I just wanted to share with those looking for fabrics, and if you are in Muscat, you should check this shop anytime. Just playing games with my kids that I bought from Amazon for them. It's my childhood games in this, so I enjoy playing with my kids. I shall share the link to this in the description box. Vacation mornings are too lazy for me. I wake up late and I don't feel like cooking the usual Kerala breakfast on those days when I wake up late. By the time I finish preparing such breakfast, it will be almost lunchtime. So I prepare something simple or go to meals in the morning. This is my all-time easy breakfast I make almost every time because these ingredients are readily available almost every day in my kitchen. Whisk an egg, seasoned with some salt and pepper. Then I pour that onto an iron tawa, which makes it even more tastier. To add some greens, I place some lettuce that's torn into small pieces. Then place 2 chapatis on top, and that's an easy wrap in the morning. To add something extra healthy, I gave grapes to my kids, which are both of their favorites. We recently went to a restaurant named Irani House. Went to try the kebabs and grill. It has a lovely ambience. I felt like I went back to Azerbaijan because the interior made me feel so. The colors, the architecture, and many more made me feel that I'm somewhere back in Azerbaijan. That was a lovely trip I had with a bunch of lovely people. And I did post it last year, I guess. Shall share the link if you like to watch it. We have this habit of playing Monopoly, which is a fun game for the family. We never know the time passing. We sit hours playing this game. Now, Arman had been requesting to go to his favorite place, Phantasmo, a play area, where they have rides too, and many new rides have been added. It's fun to come here as this is not just for kids. I guess any adult who loves to get on rides will enjoy this place. We had promised Arman that we will come here after we are back from India, and he had that in his mind. So we thought to come here before their school reopens. First day of their school after vacation. Kids indeed need a break, and I too enjoy the break with them. However, I feel that I am on a good routine when kids go to school because I'm back to my 5 am routine. Everything goes in order. Whereas on vacations, it's mostly lazy routines for me. Do let me know how it is for you in the comment section. The 5 am routine that I have starts a day before by getting prepped for tiffin. It's easy for me if I have idli dosa batter so that I can easily prepare them along with some chutney or any curry in the morning. To wake up early, I try to sleep early and put my kids to sleep early. Hope you remember this tiffin I showed you in my other video. This was from Amazon that I bought recently. The only reason I'm not using this for them is because I forgot to buy a tiffin bag for this. The old bag they have doesn't fit this tiffin, or else I will have to send something that's not liquidy or semi-thick. The review showed it doesn't leak, but then didn't want to take any risk. Their tiffin is mostly the breakfast dish for everyone at home, so it's ready before Rihan leaves, who is the first one to leave home for school. And then I can take some rest. When everyone leaves home, that's my me time. I spend some time either by watching something on Netflix, or doing some gardening, or any other task, or maybe simply sitting sipping my tea or coffee. Anyways, that's for today's video, and I shall come back with my routine video or any other soon. See you all. Until then, take care. Bye bye.